observing the weirdest behavior from this monarch. He is almost trying to run off my hummingbirds off of his flowers. Because there's about 10 hummingbirds in the yard, and this monarch on a rainy day is out here trying to run off the hummingbirds. Oh, look at here what I see come in. Hello, beautiful. Aren't you gorgeous? Yes, you are. Baby. Going back to your flower. Hello. I don't know where my monarch went to now. I can't. There he is on the other sunflower. He's over there chasing hummingbirds. Little fart. What are you doing? He's zooming around the yard, running off hummingbirds. Trying to. I swear he is. He's not nectaring at all.